folks, I have a tenor ukulele to show you. This is number 854. And the back and sides are some really cool Mastergrade Myrtle, almost like holographic. Really cool stuff. And we did a spruce top, one-piece spruce top, so it's asymmetrical. And it's got our bird's foot purfling in it, front and back with some little myrtle binding. And I used some curly walnut up here, which I think is a great choice. And the neck is a multi-piece neck made from Porterford cedar. And what are the stripes? Huh, looks like cherry stripes. Sorry, I had to think about it for a second. But it matches the color palette, right? It's got a low G and a pickup. It's a really cool uke. And I think the Spruce and Myrtle has really turned out to be an unexpected winner the last 2 or 3 years. We've made several, and they're just really nice. And I'm just happy to make more. Also, this is kind of interesting to sit and play this for me today because I just spent the last 5 days in Hawaii at the Guild of American Luthiers meeting and then doing all the other things there. So I just played and looked at and handled everybody else's ukuleles for 5 days. And it was just like full-time thinking and talking about it and playing other people's stuff. And then I just picked this up and played this. And then I was like, oh yeah, there's this. Like, this is good. You know, the sound and feel is just not like other people's, and that's okay. Yeah, it's really cool. Yeah, so this is 854, ready to go. Cheers.